Hello. Now the second type of deep foundation, that is well foundation. We have studied first type, that is pile foundation, in detail, various types of pile foundation and so on in the previous some videos. Now the second very important type of deep foundation is well foundation. Caisson is a foundation which comes under the type of well foundation. We have to study these caisson in detail, and these caissons comes under well foundation. So caisson is a structure used for the purpose of placing foundation in correct position underwater. Caisson is a particular structure. You can see in the diagram of various types of caissons are there also. Just remember these points here. The caisson is structure used for the purpose of placing foundation in correct position under water. That is, caissons are most of the caissons are used for underwater construction. It is a permanent in nature. Caissons are permanent structures constructed underground. These are used to pump out water in underwater concreting work. Okay, so these are the some general points regarding to the caisson. Then types of caisson. These are the three major types of caisson based on its function and type of structure. First, box caisson, open caisson, and pneumatic caissons. Let's see each type in detail. So first, box caisson. A box caisson open at top and close at bottom. Just remember these types of caisson by starting from open at top and close at bottom. This is a box caisson. It is made up of timber, concrete, or steel. Okay, you can see first diagram, box caisson. These are the diagrams of box caisson. First one is showing the plan of box caisson, and second one shows the section, and this particular type of box caisson is made up of concrete, as you can clearly see from the section diagram. This sectional diagram shows the box caisson. These box caissons are specially used for bridge culvert and sanitary work. Okay, these are built on land and floated to pier site where it is sunk in the position. Box caissons may also constructed on land and floated to pier site. Okay, these are used where bearing stratum is available and loads are not heavy. So box caissons are used for light structures when there is not so much load to bear for these caissons. So these are the some points regarding to box caisson. Then second one is open caisson. These are open at both ends, top as well as at bottom. Just compare with box caisson. Box caisson where open at top and close at bottom, but op- these open caissons are open at both ends. As name itself indicates, it is open. So it is open at top as well as at bottom. Open caissons are again made of timber, metal, reinforced concrete or masonry. These materials used for making caissons are similar in box caisson as well as in open caisson. Whenever consideration for score or bearing capacity required, foundation being taken to depth of more than 5 to 7 meter. Okay. Then open caissons are costly and uneconomical. Heavy timbering required. Heavy, lots of timbering work is required, and that's why it is costly or uneconomical. Then, due to greater earthwork, the progress of work is very slow, because we know that if we required a greater earthwork, obviously it will take more time, and that's why the overall time of construction of these types of caisson is more, and we can say the progress of work is very slow. Let's see the diagram. So these are the plan and sectional diagram for open caisson. Again, plan diagram, you can see it is a circular shape of open caisson, and in sectional diagram just remember the components: sand filling. The open portion of open caisson is filled with sand. At the top there is pyre, that is the topmost part. It is and whale cap. There is a temporary cap, whale cap. We can open and close that caisson by with the help of whale cap. Then at the top there is cutting edge, that is the edges of the bottom caisson is made sharper to cut the earthwork. This is a open caisson. So this is all about open caisson and box caisson, open caisson, and then third one is pneumatic caisson. A pneumatic caisson is a type of watertight enclosed structure used during construction in water or wet areas. Okay, these are specially constructed where the uh, amount of water available or the soil contains lots of amount of water. In that case, pneumatic caissons are constructed. These caissons are box shaped or cylindrical structures. Just see the diagram of pneumatic caisson. These diagrams are very important diagram. Pneumatic caissons are generally asked in the exam. There, here the air release topmost part is air release and air lock. That is, it requires to remove the air during the construction. And there is another part. You can see in the left side of the diagram there is compressed air. The artificial air is necessary to compress to remove the smaller parts during the earthwork. There is working chamber at the bottom, then ladder, the middle one part supporting member, that is ladder, and then there is blowout pipe. Okay, blowout pipe is provided to lift out or wash out the water which is coming in the working chamber. Okay, so this is a simple pneumatic caisson, and here we completes the type of caissons. Three types we, we are studied here, that is box caisson, open caisson, and pneumatic caisson. Okay, just remember the given points regarding to these types, and diagrams of these caisson types. Okay, so next part we will study in the upcoming videos. So thank you.